Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today is a fun video. I have not gotten Boxycharm in a hot minute because I was bored with them, so I got rid of them and I decided to try them out again. So today we are going to be opening up two boxes. I have the base box and the premium box. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on this video, subscribe, and please hit that bell, and when you hit the bell, select the all feature because we have to do that now here on YouTube. So please don't forget to hit that. I'm sorry, I sound a little off still. I'm still fighting this crazy cold. I've been fighting for a week now. Still trying to get over it, but I wanted to sit down and film this video before I head out to work today. So yeah, we are going to be unboxing these. So sorry. I have already put on my foundation and did my brows and everything. So if there are some products we can try out, I will go ahead and try them out. So we're going to go ahead and start off with opening the Boxycharm. It's called the base box. So inside we have the Suture Beauty. It's a mini ceramic curling iron with a cool tip. And this is a little mini one. It is yellow, and I am really excited about this actually because I have gotten my hair cut, so it is shorter, and this might be fun just to add in a few little curls. So I am kind of excited about this product. Next up we have this Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away by Pharmacy. This is limited edition. It says it is made exclusively for Boxycharm here on the front. I really do think the packaging is cute. It's got some cute little cherries. It's pink labeled. It's pink on the inside, so it's kind of pink on the inside. That's what it looks like there. It does smell really good. So I'm actually really excited about this. I love makeup remover products. Oh, and by the way, there's no card, so that's been the latest drama with Boxycharm lately, is there's been no cards telling you about the products or like, you know, the value of the products, so they need to get it together. Next up, I got this little Cella tweezer. It came in this little bag. Here's what they look like. The design of these tweezers are actually really unique. I love the little like finger grippy things here, and I love me a good pair of tweezers. I use tweezers all the time, so I'm really excited about that. Next, I got this Becca lip liner. It's in the shade Toasty. And I don't really own any lip liners. I recently decluttered a couple just because it was by a brand I really didn't even know of. But since this is a Becca lip liner and it's actually in a really pretty shade, here's the color of the packaging. The shade is actually really pretty, so I'm probably going to end up keeping in this one. And it's not like a wooden pencil liner, it's just like a retractable liner. And then this one also comes with a sharpener here that you remove. Here. And you can sharpen it with this little thingy. I'm actually kind of interested in using this because I've never used a lip liner before. And then the last thing in this base box is this Living in Color palette by Hank and Henry. My mom received a Hank and Henry lip product last year in one of her Boxycharms. So here's what the packaging looks like in the palette. It's actually really pretty. It has some pretty neutral shades if you just want to create a nice neutral look for, you know, everyday wear. And then it has some pretty pops of like shimmery color in there. I'm really interested in trying this out because I have never really tried much from Hank and Henry. So that is everything that I received in the base box. And another thing, the base box didn't come with any type of like, usually it comes with like a little not styrofoam, but like it's like a piece of foam over everything, and it didn't come with any type of packaging. So thankfully nothing was broken or damaged. So moving into the premium box. When you open it up, this month it was Fenty. It was a collaboration with Fenty, so it's got the nice Fenty logo over here. This box did come with a card, and it did come with the little foamy insert thing, so which is good. So we did get 6 products in the base box, which was a collaboration with Fenty. The first product is the Fenty Beauty. This is the matchstick. I got it in Chill Mango. I don't own any of her matchstick. Well, no, take it back. I have a little mini contour one I got. This one retails for $25. You can use it as a highlighter, blush, or like your lips. It's kind of a all-purpose type of a stick. It is very orange, but I'm actually kind of excited about this because I've never tried out any of her matchstick formulas for like a blush or anything. So I am going to actually be using this as a blush. Next up, we got the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. And I actually already own this. I already own this one, so I am just going to show you guys what it looks like. It's just this really pretty gold highlight. Everyone kind of knows what it looks like. I actually really enjoy this one. Lots of people don't like it because it's a very bold highlight. It probably does look best on darker skin tones, but I actually enjoy it because I'm kind of weird like that, but, you know. So this will actually be saved for a giveaway. And then next up, oh, and that highlighter retails for $36. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting papers, and this retails for $16. So they come in a cute little roll. So you insert the little paper and then you shut it. Oh, here. You gotta like open it up. It kind of reminds you of like a saran wrap. And then you just use the little perforated side to just kind of like tear it. That didn't tear very good. There's a little piece. And then you have your paper, and it does have like a cute little mirror on the back side. So this is actually really cute for like your purse or travel. So I'm actually going to be sliding this into my purse because I'm actually really excited to try that out because I'm oily and it will come in handy. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I got the shade Diamond Milk, and I actually already own this. It retails for $19, and this is just the shade that's like a real pretty clear shade and just kind of has like a white tint to it. I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I want to save this as a giveaway item too for you guys. Next up is a Fenty lipstick. It retails for $18. I got mine in the shade Single, but I'm not single. It's a really pretty just brown nude shade, so I'm glad it's a wearable color and I will be able to wear it instead of being something crazy color. I do own other ones from her line. The last thing we got is this Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and I am actually excited to have this in my collection. When it released, I never ended up picking it up because her very first eyeshadow palette, which I do own, it was like the galaxy themed one, I actually do not like. I hate the formula, so I was like, I'm not going to spend my money on another one of her palettes when I'm probably not going to like it. I love everything else on her line. I love her highlighter, her concealer's pretty good. I like her, I haven't tried out her foundation. Oh, their powder. I love her powder. Anyways, here's what the palette looks like. It's very beautiful. Has some really pretty matte shades. I'm really interested in trying them out. Has a couple really pretty shimmer shades up here along the top. I'm really excited about trying. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm premium box. I think it was a really neat thing that Fenty Beauty collabed with Boxycharm. So, and this was my first month back getting the box, and I think it's pretty cool. I got the box that Fenty collabed with, because Fenty Beauty is probably, it's one of my favorite makeup brands. So when something new she releases, I like have to have it. It's just like when you have a favorite brand, you just have to have it. I don't, you know, some people might not understand that, but I don't really know how to. We're going to play around with these eyeshadow palettes real quick. We're going to go ahead and create a look. And I really think I'm going to play around with like both of them. We're going to do kind of like, I kind of want to do something simple today. I don't want to do nothing crazy because number one, I'm still not feeling good. This head cold has taken me a long time to get over, longer than normal. So I am just going to kind of play around with both palettes. That way I can kind of give you guys a review on both of them. So the Fenty Beauty kind of has a really nice like light crease shade. So I am going to go in with just like a nice fluffy brush. This is an Alamar brush. And I'm just going to kind of dip into that shade. And I'm just going to kind of dust that all over the crease area and kind of... and I'm just going to kind of work it a little higher onto the brow bone area. I'm kind of going in with a light hand though, because I have not worked with her shadows in a really long time. So... if you can hear a cat, Shasta just walked in the room. Would you like to say hi, Shasta? So this is Shasta. She's one of my best friends. She likes to come up to my room. But she only she kind of sleeps in the kitchen during the day, and if I'm home, you bet your biscuits that she's going to be following me around. And she's never really came up here while I've been filming before and wanted to say hi, but she wanted to say hi, and now she's just chilling down here on the floor. Okay, so that color is actually really nice. I love that shade. And then I'm going to dive into this Hank and Henry palette. And we're going to go into this shade. This is a middle shade. It's kind of, it looks on camera, I can see it looks like it's just like a dark brown shade. But it kind of has like a deep burgundy look to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that out here in the outer V area. This eyeshadow is actually having a little bit of fallout here. The Fenty one did not have any fallout. So both of these shades are actually really pretty. And now I want to go back into the Fenty palette, and I think I want to take this like pink shade and run that along my lower lash line. And I'm just taking a really defined kind of angle brush, and we're just going to go really close to the waterline. That shade's really pretty. I like it too. And then we're going to go ahead and move into this shade right here. It's kind of a goldy, shimmery. It looks really pretty in the shade, and in the pan, and it's actually really buttery. And I'm just going to kind of press that all onto my lid. It just added a nice, really pretty like pop of like shimmer to the lids, and I really love it. I'm going to take my pinky and dive into the white shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. because like I have told you guys on my channel that's how I highlight my inner corner. It's what works best. It fits perfectly. You don't need a brush. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the makeup look is complete. I know I only tried out the eyeshadow palettes in this video, but I didn't really get anything else that I could completely share on camera. The Fenty Beauty products I already own, and I know I already love them. And like the Pharmacy Makeup Remover Cleansing Balm, I know I'm going to love that because I already have a Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, and it's really good. The eyeshadow palettes, I actually really loved both of these. I'm going to enjoy both, trying these out even more. And yeah, I liked getting both these boxes, getting to compare them. I actually think that the base box was almost better than the Fenty box because I don't have anything that I got in the base box, and I already owned a few of the products in the Fenty box, but value-wise, I wouldn't be able to add them up and compare them because I only got one card. So Boxycharm, get it together. Like, get the cards in all the boxes. It's not that difficult. Anyways, don't forget, hit the button to subscribe and hit the bell. Select all would be great. And guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.
So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.